So Eventene is a software application that combines the traditional elements of spreadsheets and email and surveying tools, all of the components that event planners needed to build up an event and manage the preparation of an event. We've combined all of that into a single simplified workflow software application that combines and will let you accomplish three main things: creating and managing your lists of invitations of people, collecting all of their RSVPs and responses, and then assigning their roles and responsibilities within the event itself. So the history of Eventene started when I was an assistant scoutmaster in my son's Boy Scout troop. They asked me if I would please coordinate all of the transportation aspects around monthly campouts. And it was a very large troop, 150 boys, 100 assistant scoutmasters, 250 people every month who needed to know how many carpals are we going to need, do we have enough seats, who's driving, are you going or not, all of those questions. It was hours and hours of spreadsheet work and email and polling people. I just realized that there just has to be a more efficient pathway through this whole process. So that was the idea. Now it only became Eventene years later when I was looking for my next project, and I thought, I'm going to go ahead and build an application that just solves that, see if it can be done. So let me back up a second and tell you that at Microsoft, when I started my career at Microsoft, I was a developer on Word and Excel, and was also one of the lead designers for Exchange Email. So I was very used to building horizontally, massively scalable applications that help people become more productive. So I just applied all those skills into building and designing this new application that is now Eventene. So the Eventene system consists of three main components: a web application for the event organizer, and that's where they build and manage and track all the responses and assign responsibilities. So everything around managing and running the event. The second component is a set of web forms so that when people who are invited to the event need to respond in RSVP, they can do it in a nice web form from the desktop, any mobile device, anywhere in the world. And the third component is a mobile app that is also used by all the event participants, and that's really for enhancing their experience during the event itself. So what distinguishes Eventene from other event planning services is really three things. One, many of the other ones are too simplistic. So we are a platform. We allow you to build a small, simple event like a dinner party on up to a multi-track, multi-complicated, very difficult to manage itinerary through a whole weekend, for example. Secondly, we are not too narrowly focused. We are a building block. You can build up an event of really any style. And thirdly, we're not too expensive. A lot of these more advanced application processes are thousands of dollars. We're at a very low price point. In fact, we even have a free tier. So you can start free and you can just upgrade your subscription as you need it, as you grow. So it's easy to get started with Eventene. We have a free account tier, and as your needs grow, you can just upgrade your account. So follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and plan wisely.